Hey everyone, welcome back! Today I'm diving into the exciting world of AI applications, how AI creates text, images, and music, understands human language, interprets images, and even how you can build your own AI-powered chatbot. Let's get started. First up, Generative AI, a powerful technology that allows AI to create content like text, images, and even music. Think of it as a digital artist or writer. AI models like GPT can create articles, stories, and summaries. Tools like DALL-E generate stunning AI-created images. And yes, AI can compose original music based on patterns. These models work by analyzing vast amounts of data and learning patterns to generate content that feels natural and human-like. Have you ever used an AI tool to generate something creative? Let me know in the comments. Next up, natural language processing, or NLP, the technology behind chatbots and virtual assistants. NLP enables AI to understand, interpret, and generate human language. It's like having a conversation with your computer. AI can convert spoken words into text, translate languages instantly, and engage in human-like conversations through chatbots. Popular chatbots like ChatGPT, Siri, and Alexa rely on NLP to respond intelligently to our questions. And the more they interact, the smarter they become. Now let's talk about computer vision, which allows AI to see and interpret images. This is where things get really futuristic. AI can identify people in photos and videos, detect objects in real time, and even help doctors diagnose diseases using medical scans. From unlocking your phone with Face ID to self-driving cars detecting obstacles, computer vision is shaping the future in incredible ways. And now for the fun part, let's build our own AI chatbot using the ChatGPT API. Follow these simple steps. First, sign up for an OpenAI account and get an API key. Next, set up a Python environment with OpenAI's API package. Then, write a simple script to send messages to ChatGPT. Finally, test your chatbot with different inputs. With just a few lines of code, you can create your own chatbot that can hold conversations and answer questions. AI applications are revolutionizing the world, and now you have a glimpse into how they work. Which AI technology excites you the most? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI insights. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.